Courses in the cement industry. Present to you. What is the best way to repair wear on an impact crusher rotor? Wear is produced when two elements press against each other, such as liner, blow bars, and crushing material. During this process, small materials from each element become detached, causing the surface to wear away. A primary factor in wear, for crushing applications, is abrasion. Material fatigue is also a factor, as the wear material is subjected to numerous pressure and impact stresses. Normally, the blow bars on the rotor of an impact crusher wear faster than others, because they impact and rub against material during crushing. This will always be handled by providing welding to replace worn out parts for blow bars. In this case, after inspection, wear in rotor for crusher was found. My friends, we are waiting for your suggestions to solve this problem. What is the method of treatment? If it is welding, what type of welding electrode is used? I hope you enjoy watching and gain experiences from this channel. I waiting for solutions to this problem. Thanks for everyone. Thank you for watching, and I hope these courses are helpful to everyone. Subscribing to this channel Cement Industry Courses would be appreciated. Thank you.